Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus here. I'm going to show you how to make the default location for the camera to the SD card. So anytime you take a photo or video, instead of being it saved to the internal storage or your actual device, it's going to save directly to the SD card. So very, very simple to do. So first thing, obviously, you must have an SD card inserted, and then go ahead and open up your camera. You can simply press the side button here, the power button twice for a shortcut to bring up the camera here, and then from here, you want to go ahead and tap on the settings icon, the gear icon right there. So tap on that, and then from here you want to go ahead and you want to scroll down and you want to look for storage location. If your SD card is not inserted correctly, you're not going to have an option here. Okay, anyways, you can see internal storage and SD card. Simply go ahead and tap on SD card right there, and now every time I take a photo or video or whatnot, it's going to go ahead and save directly to my SD card. So any questions or anything, just comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.